Today is July 1st and it marks 1 year to my surgery. And the thing I keep coming back to is not the surgery itself. It is what happened on day 3. It had actually started the night before. I woke up at 4 in the morning. I hadn't been able to sleep all night. I couldn't move the way I needed to. And from that moment, there was one thing I wanted with an urgency that surprised me as well. Just some fresh air on my face. By morning, I was desperate. And let's be clear about the kind of desperate. I was not desperate because of pain. I wasn't desperate because of fear. I had been handling both of those with as much as grace as I could find. But what was completely undoing me was the room. Fully sealed, fully air conditioned, climate controlled to a perfect, unchanging temperature. My body was speaking to me very clearly, very physically, that something was wrong. I felt heavy. I felt suffocated in a way that had nothing to do with the surgery. And so I asked my surgeon, I asked my nurses, I asked almost every single person who walked through that door that morning. Please, can someone just open one window for 5 minutes, but just let some fresh air in? But nobody could. And I think most people who spend more than a day or two in a hospital eventually feel some version of this. That pull, that desperation to just get out, to breathe something real. But very few can put words to exactly why they feel that way. And because of what I do, because I spend my days thinking about what spaces do to people, I could put a finger on it. It was the sealed air. The absence of anything alive or natural or moving. And my body understood something that my mind was just catching up to. And I had a beautiful sea view from my room. The Mumbai coastline right outside my window. And that view was honestly the thing keeping me sane. There's also a researcher called Roger Ulrich who found that hospital patients with a window view of nature recovered faster and needed less pain medication than patients in identical rooms facing a wall. So yes, I had the view and it was my lifeline. But I could not open that window. And that difference between seeing nature and actually breathing it, that gap is what my body was trying to communicate to me. If you have ever spent time in a hospital room or ever felt that specific heaviness in a sealed, airless space and not been able to name it, your body was not imagining it. It was asking for something real, something alive, something that sealed synthetic environments cannot give. 1 year later, and that hospital room is still the most vivid design lesson I have ever received. Not from a textbook, but from my own body, patiently, clearly telling me what it needs. And that need is what I designed for today.